buddy? What's your name? Nathan? Mason. Where you from? Where you from? Panama City? I got you. Y'all having a good time? What'd you get hung up, buddy? Did you get hung up? I hear you. All right, we're watching work. I think that's Daddy and Mama. Daddy over there anyway. I don't see Mama. I don't know. You can't ever tell. One of them might be Mama. I don't know, but I ain't saying that. They bigger than I am. Y'all doing all right? Oh, I hear you. I hear you. Them kids are getting it figured out, buddy. Hey, nothing else, they're having a good time. All right, here we go. They got it hooked up. We're gonna see if they get it out or not. Uh-oh, come undone. I'll be back with you. All right, take two. I think they got it hooked up this time. Get Mason out of here. Mason from Panama City. All right, here they go. All right, put it in reverse. Mason's got it in reverse. Oh yeah, there he goes. It's working. Yeah. Uh-oh, we cut off. It was going good. All right, we're all right. Oh, can't find them, grind them. See, these kids got it figured out. All right, see y'all later.
So we're sunk down pretty deep. And they went back in.
Yep, it was like a plump. You heard it first. Hey, at least you're gonna be on YouTube, so you might as well smile. This. heard that old saying, just run what you brung? Here you go. This is what this old boy brung. Now, he doing all right over there. Yeah, I'm about to catch him in some action later. All right, boys, it's getting about time to get a little bite to eat here. I'm not sure what y'all think about this, but check this out. Yep, there's one tub, two tubby, 3 tubby, 4 tubby. Number crawfish. Now, let me walk over here and show you this little cool thing he just got to. What's up, Murdy?
What's up, buddy?
All right. Hey, tell us about this cooker you got over here.
Talk to the chef. I don't know.
Talk to the chef.
Crawfish cooker's all I know.
Put a little fire to it.
A little fire to it. There goes a whole bottle of that.
Secret ingredient.
Yep, this thing's fine right here. Nice little crawfish cooker.
I got 2 sticks. I got
Couple onions, bunch of oranges,
Hey, here.
butter.
I had some, yeah.
There's some pine straw and pine cones in the bottom, but I didn't video that.
Want to throw some pine cones in there?
Yeah, pine cones, pine straw. Yeah, I know y'all jealous now for sure. You having a good time, Marty?
Always. That's how we roll.
That's right. That's right.
In and out. We've been out.
Yeah, no.
By the way, in the Halloween videos, this was Trump 2020, his little outfit. I don't know if y'all recognize him or not, but that's my boy John Murdy right there.
Making America great again. We're going to do it again in 2020. Don't hate the player, hate the game.
Big John. Big John.
These guys might not be believers. I don't know.
Well, this one right here is.
Okay.
You know what this is?
What is it?
Daddy's money.
Oh, daddy's money.
Daddy's money.
What you been out there hitting?
Grab him, Taylor. Give him a kiss. Look at him and give him a kiss.
I'm not giving it.
Well, look at me anyway. I got you on the...
We can pull these back,
No.
and then you can give it a kiss.
Junior, what do you think, buddy?
Sweet. We're at it.
That's right. Murdy, you going swimming? Something there might get you. But you're used to crabs about that size, ain't you?
Yeah, you know, you pick them off. I sell them to Joe Patties all the time.
Joe Patties?
Just kidding.
Big crabs? Yeah. What's that thing got, Junior? A little lid to pick it up on?
Yeah.
Check it out.
There and it goes into the cooler.
Dumps it right there and then slides right in the cooler.
Yeah.
Nice, buddy. That thing is fine right there.
They are not
How long you got to cook for?
10 minutes.
10 minutes?
They're probably already.
Oh yeah, they're gone, baby. All right, so this fella here says you got to test the crawfish to see how live they are before you cook them. You got to let them pinch you. He said that's the whole trick is letting them.
This pinch me.
You're crazy. He said you got to let them pinch you to know, make sure they're good and alive. He's a bigger man than I am because I ain't letting nothing pinch me. Oh, watch out now.
Probably scared him.
Why are you letting her? Why are you? He good? Is that a good one to eat there?
Let's go.
Oh, that's a good one. Okay.
He's got
All right.
the point.
All right. All right, guys, as promised, here's that car I was talking about earlier. Everybody staging up for the bonfire. Trying to get this drone working. Here we go, start of the fire. All right, guys, here we are. It's Saturday night. I don't know, about 9, 10 o'clock. Ease on back before all the rain, all the traffic trying to leave here. If y'all watch my Halloween video, y'all remember the exit line, so it's crazy here leaving in the morning. But Boggs and Boulders, man. 10-year anniversary. Had a great weekend. A lot of fun. I'll be back for the next one. I love this place. Man, it was great meeting Subtac and Robert, both YouTubers. Man, those guys are great, man. They got their game together. They know what's going on. But y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe Subtac's channel, and you'll see some video of me on there, I think, that he said he was going to post. So it's cool, man. We'll had a great time. Thank y'all guys for watching. I appreciate it. All right, Uncle Packy's out.